Good morning, MAT142 friends. First off, I want to apologize for the chaos and craziness of last week. Who would have thought? But thank you for your patience and welcome to class. Today you should be starting on our first chapter, chapter 2. But before you get into chapter 2, I want to make sure that you didn't miss any emails or important announcements. Normally I like to do this very planned and systematic, where the emails are going out periodically and the announcements are coming out when it is most appropriate. Unfortunately, because the system was down, it kind of all happened at once. So please make sure that you're not just looking at the recent announcements, but that you're going over to the announcements tab and looking at all the announcements from the very beginning. I know it looks like a lot, but I don't want you to miss any important information, like setting up your notifications, like the video on how to properly take notes so you get full credit, scheduling your chapter exams. Our first chapter exam is coming up next Thursday. This class is a very quick 8-week class. So it's really important that you're following the schedule, that you're planning ahead, and that you're making your appointments to schedule your exams as soon as possible. So please make sure that you watch this video so you can see the 3 different options of scheduling exams. Make sure that you set up your appointment now if you can, so that you're ready to go for exam day. Also make sure that you watch this test expectations and showing work video. Many students don't earn the points they think they deserve on exams because they don't show enough work. It's really, really important that you're showing all of your work for all of your problems in order to get full credit. So please make sure that you watch that video so you can get all the points that you deserve. Also, because our calendar got changed, we have a 1-week delay. Everything's been pushed back a week. I really need you to make sure that you look at the new calendar. I suggest that you print it off and keep that close by so that you know when all the due dates are. Okay? We're getting right into it. You should be in chapter 2, so make sure you go to the chapter 2 module, making sure that you've done all the required assignments. You've marked that you've finished them so that it will open up the chapter 2 module. Make sure that you watch the quick chapter 2 intro and instruction video. That'll kind of guide you into what to expect for this chapter. Make sure again that you've looked at the showing work, test expectations, scheduling your chapter 2 test now so it's not too late. If you're using ProctorU, make sure that you set up a ProctorU account and you check your equipment right away so that you're ready to go. The first thing you're going to do when you're starting chapter 2 is print off the chapter 2 notes, and then you should see all the video lessons. Today you should be working on section 2.1, making sure that you print off the notes, that you take thorough, complete notes as you're watching the video lessons, and that you do the homework in my math lab. Your 2.1 homework is due tomorrow at midnight. Tomorrow, you'll then be starting section 2.2. You'll watch the video, you'll take notes, and then your 2.2 homework will be due Friday at midnight. So you have about 24 hours the day after you learn the material to turn in your homework for that section. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions along the way. I know it's going to go quick, so hopefully you've set some time up in your schedule to work really hard, but let's bust it out and have a great 8 weeks.